An unexpected delay. Northrop Grumman's supply ship triumphantly reaches the International Space Station after troublesome engine trouble. A cargo ship has successfully docked at the International Space Station, ISS, following a day-long holdup caused by an untimely engine failure. On September 18, 2025, the Northrop Grumman Cygnus cargo capsule finally made its arrival at the ISS, buoyed by the station's robotic arm, which skillfully grabbed the spacecraft as it passed over the African continent. This delivery, weighing in at an impressive 11,000 pounds, or about 5,000 kilograms, was initially scheduled to reach the station a day earlier, soon after its launch from Florida. However, the capsule ran into trouble when it attempted to ascend to higher altitudes, experiencing an unexpected shutdown of its main engine. Experts quickly identified that a cautious software setting had been the culprit, causing the premature end to the engine's function. This particular mission marked a significant milestone as it was the inaugural flight for the larger variant of the Cygnus spacecraft. The cargo it delivered was vital, containing not only food provisions, but also scientific equipment and systems necessary for the space station's operations, including essential components for the toilet. To keep the ISS equipped and functioning, NASA has established partnerships with both Northrop Grumman and SpaceX. Additionally, supplies also come from Russian sources, and Japan is preparing to resume its own deliveries in the near future. In a touching tribute, Northrop Grumman named this latest capsule the SS Willie McCool, honoring the pilot who flew on the ill-fated Columbia Space Shuttle mission in 2003. What do you think about the challenges faced in space missions like this one? Is the cautious approach with software settings helpful or overly restrictive? Share your thoughts below. The Associated Press Health and Science Department garners support from the Department of Science Education at the Howard Hughes Medical Institute and the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. All content remains under the sole responsibility of the AP. Focused articles. The intricate dance of logistics in space exploration. The vital role of international collaboration in ISS operations. What's next for Northrop Grumman? A glimpse into the future of space cargo transport.